Hello again. This is Aline Wall from Digital Glow Consulting, and I'm so excited to be able to present this virtual tour to you. I recently came by your location and did a virtual tour, a 3D virtual tour of your suite. And I was extremely impressed. It is an absolutely beautiful space, and I truly believe that it should be captured in the best light possible. So I know that you already have a virtual tour company that you are working with. However, I did want to show you how you can maximize the use of your virtual tours in order to market to or broaden the market for your clientele and your outreach. All right, so let's get started. So if you take a look over here in the corner, well, let me do a refresh real quick because I want you to see how it opens up. Okay, when your virtual tour opens up, it opens up to a dollhouse view, which is absolutely captivating to most of your visitors to your site. Now, what you will see that I've added to the tour in the lower left corner here is a book your stay today button. And what your clients will do, or your prospects, they can go in before they even view the virtual tour or as they go through the virtual tour and they decide, okay, I want to go ahead and book this room. So let me not delay, and notice that it stays here. They can click on this button and it'll open up and take them to your booking page on your website, and they can book right away. All right. In addition to that, on the right side of your virtual tour is a space for a business card, and that business card has your contact person's information, and they can reach out to that person. They also have their social links, their LinkedIn, your Facebook, your company Facebook, as well as your Instagram and your company logo. Okay. Let's see. Here we have a video.
Welcome to the Tsubaki Tower's luxurious haven in Guam. Immerse yourself in the elegance and serenity of our meticulously designed rooms, each offering breathtaking ocean views.
Now, in addition to the English version of the video, if you click here, you can scroll over to the right. There's a Japanese version.
Guam no Tsubaki Tower no tsuisaku na kakurekiya he youkoso.
And there's also a Korean version of the welcome video.
괌에 있는 더 츠바키 타워의 고급스러운 안식처에 오신 것을 환영합니다.
So it will appeal to your target market. Now, you can add more languages if you like. And then here is the virtual tour itself. So you can go through and look at the room and see exactly what the space has to offer. It's 4K quality, and it meticulously highlights all of the amazing qualities of your suite. Again, if you are interested in working with Digital Glow Consulting, if you're interested in working with Digital Glow Consulting, just reach out to me. Our contact information is on the screen below or here in this video. And I'm also providing you with a link to the virtual tour that will be active for 1 week. So let me know if you are interested. Thank you for the opportunity to showcase what Digital Glow Consulting has to offer. Also, let me just add this. In the lower left corner, if you're working with a team and you want to have the team leave notes, they can leave notes. And you can also see the top view of the space as well, and the virtual tour. And you also can do the measurements as well. It automatically gives you some measurements, but you can do measurements on your own. So it's really, really helpful. Again, if you are interested in working with Digital Glow Consulting, we are located here on Guam, ready to assist you with your virtual tour needs. Thank you for your time, and I will chat with you soon.